This is the second video of Baby Booties.
And turn. Slip stitch in 9 double crochets. Chain 1 and turn. Double crochet in first stitch with your loofy. Remember your knobby right there. So I double crochet. There's my first one. I do this 9 times again. 2. This one I have to count to make sure I get it the right amount of stitches. 3. 4. 5. 'Here's number 6. Number 7. 8. 8. Here's the last one of that row. Number 9. Oops, gotta get the knobby there. 9. Then I chain 1 again and turn it. If you lose track, you can always push those up and then count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I like going by threes because then I don't lose track. chain one and turn. Okay, now you see you've got 1 row, 2 rows, 3 rows. Now on this row you only go 5. So I chained 1, that's 1, slip stitch, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's my 5th one. Okay, now if you count, you should have 4 left on your row. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4. Perfect. Chain 1, turn, double crochet in the same stitch 5 times till we get to the corner. There's my first one. There's 1, come on, 1, 2, 3, number 4, right there's number 4. Aha, almost there. And number 5. And now I'm at the end of the corner as soon as I finish this one. Okay, there's number 5. Now you have to put an extra one in each corner. So that means I put another one where number 5 is. So here goes another one for number 5. So that means that I've got 6 across instead of 5. Okay, so here's the 6th one. Okay, got it. Okay, now to go down, you can see this way, you have to go in between your double crochet. So I go 1 in between, and 1 in the double crochet. So that puts 1 in the double crochet right there. Okay, so then 1 in between, and 1 in the double crochet right there. Okay. Okay, we've got 1 more in between. Right there, in between. Right there. 1 more in between. And 1 more in the double crochet when I get down there. Okay, in between. Now I've got to go down here into this one. Okay, there's my double crochet. Okay, now, whoops, I lost the thread. Okay, here we go with the thread one more time. Okay, now this is the fun part. Now you go. You chained 1 and you double crochet, chain 2 and double crochet. So in every single chain, whether it's the double crochet or not, you put a double crochet in. So here's the chain 1 double crochet with the double crochet in it. Now I go to the next one, which would be my chain 2. No, it would be my double crochet. And I do that in that stitch. And now I have to put 2 in because that's what I chained. 2 double crochets. So 1 goes in that stitch. And you don't have to count anymore because you go in the double crochet stitches. So there's that one. And 1 more in that square. Come on, pull through. And yeah. Okay, and 1 in that stitch, and you go all the way around until you get to this part. And then I'll show you how to do that part right there again. Okay. Now I go in between again, because I chained 1, so I go in the chain 1. And then I go in the double crochet. And I chain 2 in this square. There's my 1 in the first chain. Now I have to do another one in the second chain. Okay. Now let me show you what it looks like as you're going along. You just got through with the tongue of the booty, and you're starting around the corner to the sides. This is the side of it, and this is what it looks like so far. Okay, double crochet in between again, 1 double crochet in between with the loopy. Okay, and then another double crochet in there in the next stitch. Oops. Double crochet in between the loopy again, in between the chain. And double crochet in the next stitch. And double crochet in between again. And double crochet in the 4th stitch. There's 1, 2, 3. This would be my 4th stitch right there. So I double crochet in that one. And then I do it 1 more time, so that's 2 in the 4th stitch. and then double crochet in the number 3 stitch right there, double crochet in 2, number 2 stitch, and one more double crochet right there. Slip stitch in the next double crochet, so we're right here, slip stitch right there, gotcha. Chain 1 and double crochet with the loopy. And then double crochet with the loop in every single double crochet all the way around for 2 rows. When you get back to the starting point, just slip stitch and chain 1 and go around the row one more time. Okay, chain 1, double crochet in slip stitch, not a loopy double crochet, just a regular double crochet. Double crochet in next stitch, and double crochet again all the way around, completely around until you get to the first slip stitch. Then you slip stitch again and do another complete row all the way around.
This is the end of part 2. Now catch us on part 3.